Occupational health and safety procedure. Always ground or discharge yourself before touching any part of the computer. Number 2. Do not work alone so that there's someone who can take care of you in case of accident or emergency. Number 3. Be careful with the tools that may cause short circuit. Number 4. Always pull the cable connector on the handle and not on the cable itself. Number 5. Use only rubber shoes when standing on the ground or in a concrete floor. Number 6. Make sure that the pins are properly aligned when connecting a cable connector. 7. Always power off and unplug the computer before working on it. Number 8. Take away any liquid such as mineral water or soft drinks near your working area or near computers. Number 9. Contingency measures during workplace accident, fire and other emergencies are recognized. Number 10. Personal protective equipment is correctly used in accordance with organization OHS procedure and practice. Number 11. Hazard risks in the workplace and their corresponding indicators are identified to minimize or eliminate risk to co-workers, workplace, and environment. Number 12. Take your necessary precaution to protect the component of the computer for damage caused by electrostatic discharge. 13. Hold the components by edge and do not touch the ICs. Number 14. Read and follow instruction on the manual carefully. 15. Do not use excessive force if things don't quite slip into place.